the top 5 campaign types that you should be advertising today. What's going on, guys? Nick Friel here, founder of Media Simplified. We are a mortgage marketing agency that's been in the game for over 8 years. We've helped over 800 LOs scale from 5 to 10 million in loan volume, all the way up to 20, 40, and even 50 million in loan volume. We do this leveraging lead generation, digital marketing, and mainly sales S&Ps. This video is going to be about which campaigns should you be advertising right now in 2024. I know there's, a ton of craziness going on in the market. Interest rates have been at an all-time high, but a lot of people are skeptical about advertising. But I can tell you this, if you look at the recession in 08, you look at, what happened there, the people that double down always end up coming out on top. So that's what we want to help you do. We want to help you advertise smarter, not harder. Throwing money at the problem is not going to fix this. So in a market like this where rates are high, there's not a ton of supply out there as far as houses for sale, we need to make a pivot. So this video is going to be about the top 5 campaign types that you should be advertising today to make sure you're growing and scaling like never before. Coming in at number 5 on the list is going to be Homes for Heroes. Now, this changes state to state, area to area, but most states have a Homes for Heroes. So usually if they're a police officer or a firefighter or an EMT or whatever the case may be, they're stable, they have a good job, they have a good career, and that already makes them a better buyer than most when it comes to FHA and things like that. So coming in at number 4, we have a couple of niche variants of a refinance loan. So we have HELOC, VA refinance, foreclosure refinance. There's a lot of different types of kind of niche refinances that different mortgage brokers or loan officers specialize in. So that can be a great option right now because I know supply is low. This is giving you people who are looking for example, a HELOC loan. Now your supply problem is solved because you're going after people who already own their home, they already have equity in their home, and they're looking to refinance in some way, shape, or form. With the VA refinance, another phenomenal option that we run, I would say, I think Texas and maybe one other state are the only states that don't offer it. But beyond that, there's a lot of money to be made in those niche refinance areas. So that's going to be number 4. Number 3 is going to be first-time construction or new home builds. This is obviously kind of skirting around the interest rates and the low supply aspect as well, because you have brand new construction happening, which obviously, you're not running into the same issues that you would trying to buy a home traditionally. Getting a relationship with builders can be massive. Getting in good with one builder, they might end up building an entire neighborhood and giving every single deal to you. Number 2 is going to be the traditional cash out refi. You can also throw in, reverse here, but refi is going to be huge right now, especially with people getting to that point where, they're running low on funds. They need access to equity, giving them the option to refi, even if interest rates are a little bit higher. We can all agree there's always benefits to refinancing, kind of no matter what the case is. So a lot of times it's going to shorten the life of loan. Maybe they end up paying, less overall and they get access to some equity. So traditional cash out refi is 100% something that you should be running right now if you're not already. And then coming in at the number 1 spot on the list of the top 5 campaign types that you should be running in 2024 is going to be DSCR or investor loans. And the reason for that is investors, as we all know, they don't necessarily care about the interest rates as long as the properties are cash flowing, which is great for a DSCR loan. But with those loans, they have to have at least a 620 score. They have to have a 20% down payment, and they need to own their primary residence. So with that, they're going to be people who are keen to this process already. They've already gone through it. Maybe they've done a couple of deals, and these can also be another contact that can provide you future deals, connect you with real estate agents, connect you with other investors. So DSCR, investor style loans, they can serve you in a number of different ways right now. And most importantly, the interest rates that have everyone, running scared, they don't necessarily affect these investors the same way they would a traditional buyer. So that is why DSCR/investor loans are coming in at the number 1 spot as far as campaigns that you should be running this year to make sure you're scaling your mortgage business. So to recap, Coming in at number 5, we have the Homes for Heroes programs. Coming in at number 4, we have niche refi. That's going to be VA refi, HELOC, even throw the reverse in there. That's going to be kind of the niche variations of a refinance. Number 3 is going to be the new home builds or first-time construction. Coming in at number 2, traditional cash-out refi. Phenomenal option right now, but taking the top spot is going to be that DSCR/investor loan. Any of those are going to serve you tremendously right now, especially while the market's kind of weird. Running after these campaigns is going to allow you to pivot properly and not work harder against the market, but work smarter in a way that you're still growing, getting more loan volume, and not fighting against everyone else trying to, go after the same slice of pies. I hope you found this helpful. I hope you go out and take action on this. Don't just watch and get educated. Go start running campaigns, hire an agency, do something to take action on this information. And if you like this, comment, like, subscribe, share. If you're a mortgage broker looking to potentially hire us, go ahead and check out the link below. Check out our website, some of our testimonials. Beyond that, if you're just here to watch, enjoy the free content. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers.